Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Today is December 31st, so that means today is the last day to print coupons. If you guys haven't printed some coupons from coupons.com, definitely print them. They may or may not be available tomorrow. And I just saw that some new ones actually popped up that I didn't see yesterday, but they do have the $1.50 off Dove if you guys are interested in that. Zycan $3.50, that looks like a newer one. But they added, where did I see it? I just saw that they added some. The Truvia sweetener, they added a $1 off coupon and a $1 off the Edge Skintimate or Chic Hydro shaving cream. They got the Carmex, looks like the one reset, or they both reset maybe. But otherwise, there is hardly any coupons on here, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. But if you guys haven't printed off the L'Oreal Paris coupons, make sure you guys print those off because those will most likely reset. And then also make sure you do the Hershey Gold because those are really good coupons. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up last month to print coupons, and there'll be hopefully some really good ones tomorrow. I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.